Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have another declutter with me video. I always like to do these videos like once every 3 to 4 months because I love to declutter like makeup and my clothes. I love to donate some of my clothes to the thrift donation I think that we have around here. I love to donate because if I don't need them, if I don't need to use them anymore, or I don't want them, I love to donate. So I'm going to be doing that today. I'm going to be decluttering my closet because I definitely need to declutter. I need some space. I need to throw a lot of stuff and purge that closet. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. And yeah, if you guys enjoy these declutter videos, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. So let's get started with this declutter with me, of course. Okay, so that is it for the declutter with me video. I am going to be doing another one. I'm going to be cleaning out under my sink. I have all my hair care and beauty products under there. So that's going to be a very interesting video. So stay tuned for that. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, of course, so you guys can be notified every time I upload. So hit that little bell so you guys will know when I upload. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye loves.